Have you ever felt that burning, heavy, or bloated feeling in your stomach? Right after eating something you thought was normal? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle every single day with stomach pain, acidity, and digestion problems. But what if I told you that the solution is not in a pill, but right on your plate? Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our health family. Today, I want to share something deeply important: the best foods for your stomach. These are the natural healing foods that can soothe irritation, repair your gut lining, balance acid levels, and bring back the energy and comfort you deserve. Whether you're dealing with gastritis, acid reflux, bloating, or just want a healthier digestive system, this video will guide you step by step. So stay with me till the end, because your stomach deserves love, care, and the right nutrition to heal. Your stomach is not just a bag that holds food. It's your body's engine of energy and immunity. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Every emotion, every thought, every meal, it all starts here. But modern life has made it tough. Fast food, stress, irregular eating, late-night meals, processed sugar, and spicy junk, all of these damage the protective lining of your stomach and weaken your digestion. The good news? The stomach has a remarkable ability to heal itself if you give it the right fuel. Let's talk about the foods that are proven to be gentle, healing, and strengthening for your stomach. Bananas coat the stomach lining and help neutralize acid. They are rich in potassium and natural fiber, which helps digestion and reduces inflammation. Eat one ripe banana every morning, especially on an empty stomach. Oatmeal gives long-lasting energy without irritating your stomach. It absorbs excess acid and reduces heartburn. Choose plain oats, not the sugary packets, and add some honey or banana slices for flavor. For centuries, ginger has been used to reduce nausea, bloating, and inflammation. A small piece of fresh ginger or a cup of warm ginger tea after meals can calm your stomach and improve digestion naturally. Rich in probiotics, yogurt helps restore the balance of good bacteria in your stomach. Choose unsweetened, natural yogurt. Add some honey or fruit if you want it sweeter, but avoid artificial flavors. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and reduce stomach discomfort. It's especially good if you feel bloated or heavy after meals. Simple plain foods like boiled rice and potatoes are easy on the stomach. They help absorb acid and calm irritation, especially when you're recovering from gastritis or indigestion. Raw cabbage juice might not sound tasty, but it's one of the best natural remedies for ulcers and stomach inflammation. Studies show it helps repair the stomach lining and boost recovery. Drink a small glass daily for a week and notice the difference. Aloe vera soothes the digestive tract, reduces acidity, and promotes healing. Drink half a glass of aloe vera juice before meals, but make sure it's pure and safe for consumption. A spoon of raw honey coats your stomach, reduces irritation, and supports healing. It's one of the oldest and gentlest remedies for acidity and ulcers. Never underestimate plain water. Splashing enough water, especially warm water, helps flush out toxins, improve digestion, and maintain the right acid balance. Healing your stomach isn't just about what you eat. It's also about what you avoid. Here are the biggest enemies of a healthy stomach: spicy and fried foods, processed sugar, excess coffee and tea-carbonated drinks, alcohol, eating late at night, skipping breakfast. Avoid these as much as possible, and you'll notice dramatic improvement in just a few weeks. 1. Eat slowly. Chew your food properly. 2. Don't lie down right after eating. Wait at least 2 hours. 3. Manage stress. Anxiety directly affects stomach acid levels. 4. Walk for 10 minutes after meals. It improves digestion naturally. 5. Sleep early and stay hydrated. Healing begins when your body rests. Remember, your stomach reflects your lifestyle and emotions. When you rush, stress, or ignore your body, your stomach silently suffers. But when you eat mindfully, nourish yourself, and choose real foods, your body thanks you with peace, energy, and health. You don't have to live with pain, acidity, or bloating. Your body can heal. Nature has already provided everything you need in the form of simple, beautiful, natural foods. Now, starting today, give your stomach a reason to smile. Replace junk with healing foods. Drink more water. Eat with gratitude. Heal yourself from the inside out, because when your stomach is happy, your entire body feels alive again. If you found this video helpful, my friend, please subscribe to this channel for more health tips and natural healing guidance. Share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Your health is your greatest gift. Take care of it lovingly every single day.